Hello, good evening. My name is Jose De Sena Jr., participant of MMM. A geology of MMM Global. MMM is not a business. This is not company. This is not MMM. MMM is not a bank. MMM does not collect your money. MMM is not an online business, help, investment, or MLM program. MMM is a community where people help each other. MMM gives you a technical basic program with help millions of participants worldwide to find those who need help and those who are ready to provide help for free or transfer bitcoins to another participants. Are you help given by your own goodwill to another one? Absolutely gratis if you are completely confident and certain in your action and make your mind to participate. MMM Global, people helping people. MMM Global, family helping one another. MMM, there is no boss and no owner. Peer-to-peer exchange of donation. Mutual aid community, changing the world together. Trust between members, free education. Sergey Mabrodi, creator and official piece of MMM Global. The founder of MMM Global. The founder and director of the community. The sole purpose of MMM is to make financial relation between people fair. No one has ever become poor by giving. The power of giving is greater than the joy of receiving. We can never predict what happens next in MMM, but whatever happens, happens for the best. 30% Mabro, join MMM Long Live. Philippines, Indonesia, Bangladesh, Thailand, and India. And over of the world. We are already in more than 50 cities of Indonesia. We are already in 107 countries. 30% man. More than 138 million participants around the world. MMM Global Community Partnership with Bitcoin. Let's talk about Bitcoin. Bitcoin is global digital currency. This is the environment of blockchain or my wallet. Share this with anyone and they can send you payments. Global Community. The power of giving. Again, my name is Jose De Sena Jr. Add me on Facebook, Joe De Sena1 at Yahoo. gmail.com. Active participant of MMM Global. Join the power of giving. Philippines-mmm.net. Thank you very much, Sergey Mabrodi, our founder of MMM Global. Thank you, Ma'am Ana, Sir Max, and all staff of MMM Global. Together, we can change the world.